Okay, we want to verify an identity here, and we're told to use the power reducing formulas to do so. So in this case, we have sine cubed of 2x equals 1/2 sine of 2x multiplied by the quantity 1 minus cosine of 4x. So to do this, I've gone ahead and listed out our power reducing formulas over on the right-hand side. I'm going to start with the left-hand side this time. So sine cubed of 2x. I'm going to first rewrite that because this means 3 copies of sine of 2x multiplied together. So I'm going to start out and I'm going to rewrite that as sine of 2x multiplied by sine squared of 2x. Okay, still 3 copies of sine of 2x multiplied together, just kind of strategically rewritten. Now, why I wanted to rewrite it this way is you'll notice our power reducing formulas all involve squares. So sine squared of theta, I'm going to use this formula over on the right-hand side. I'm going to replace in our theta in this case is whatever's inside of our parentheses. So the second factor here, we have sine squared of 2x. I'm going to replace that using this power reducing formula. So we have to bring along the initial sine of 2x that I wrote out in front. And then we're going to multiply that by filling into that sine power reducing formula 1 minus cosine of 2 times, normally it's just theta, but theta is whatever's inside of our parentheses. So I'm going to put 2x in that spot. And then this will all be over 2. Because that dividing by 2 is in our formula over here. All right, next, let's rewrite this. Instead of having a big fraction that's all divided by 2, what we're allowed to do is we're allowed to move that out in front and make that a 1/2 multiplied by everything inside the numerator. So if we can rewrite that, dividing by 2 is equivalent to multiplying by 1/2. We can write 1 minus cosine of 4x. That's the entire numerator inside this set of parentheses. And we're getting pretty close to what we wanted to end up with on the right-hand side. The last step that I'm going to go ahead and do is this 1/2. Let's simply move that out in front of the sine of 2x. So just rearranging this, everything's multiplied together. We have some factors, so we're allowed to rewrite it in a different order. So we can say that's 1/2 times sine of 2x. And then this last set of parentheses, the 1 minus cosine of 4x. And now it looks just like what's on the right-hand side. So we've gone ahead and verified this, proven that this is an identity, that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side by using this power reducing formula. Hope this helps out as you're working on these. Strategically rewriting them so you see something squared is kind of key as far as moving the right direction on these. Hope this